A picture 9 cm wide and 12 cm high is put into a frame, leaving a margin of uniform width all round. The frame has an area of 154 cm squared. How wide is the margin? This is college mathematics. The topic is algebra concept. Now let's have a sketch. This is a frame. The frame is rectangular in shape, and this is a picture that has been inscribed inside this. We are told that the picture is 9 cm and 12 cm high, so the height is 12 centimeters, the width is 9, that the frame has left a margin of uniform length. That means from here to here is that margin, and we are told that the margin is uniform. So if the margin is uniform, I use x to represent the length. So if I call it x, it means here and here are the same. So now the area of the frame is 154 cm squared. The question is, what is the length of the margin? This is the picture. So we are going to start with that and see how we can do it. But if you have another way of solving this, please let me see in the comment section. Now let's find the area of the frame. Area of the frame, since it is rectangular in shape, is given by length times the width. So the length of this frame, if here to here is 12 centimeters and here to here is x, and we are told that it's uniform, so the length of this frame will be 12 cm plus from here to here being x, and from here to here, so that will be, the length will be 12 centimeters plus 2x centimeters. The width is the same thing, from here to here is the same, so that will be 9 centimeters plus 2x centimeters. So the length and the width of the frame are this and this respectively. The length now, so the area is 12 centimeters plus 2 centimeters multiplied by the width, which is 9 plus 2x centimeters. This is 2x rather centimeters, and we are told that it is equal to 154. So 154. Now 12 plus 2x times 9 plus 2x equals to 154. So this time this will give you 108. This time this give you 24. 12 times 2, 24 x. Then 2 times this will be 18 x, and this time this will give us 4x squared equals to 154. Then 108 plus this time this is, or plus that 42x plus 4x squared minus 154 equal to 0. This becomes a quadratic equation. 108 minus 154 plus 42x plus 4x squared. This will be minus 46 plus 42x plus 4x squared. Then we have to rearrange this. That will be 4x squared plus 42x minus 46 equal to 0. If you divide through by 2 to make this thing simple to us, that will be 2x squared plus 221x minus 223 equal to 0. Using Algebra formula, b squared x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x here equals to minus b minus 21 plus or minus square root of 21 squared minus 4a 2c minus 23 divided by 2 times a 2 times 2. So we have to clear this. X here equals to minus 21 plus or minus square root of 21, that is 441, minus 4 into this 2 times you are given 46 and it's minus, divided by 4, then x here minus 21 plus or minus square root of 441 plus 184 divided by 4. This will be equals to minus 21 plus or minus 625 divided by 4. So whether addition or subtraction, the square of 625 is 25 divided by 4. So by addition, minus 21 plus 25, that is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 centimeter is the width of the margin. Of course, I know you like it. Share this video, like. You can follow me for more. Bye bye.